Hi, in this short video, we're going to take a quick look at how to install statcounter into your Angular website. I have a demo site set up here using Angular, and if we open the DevTools Network tab, we can reload and see that there are no connections to statcounter happening, so the code is not installed yet. And we can look at the source and search for statcounter, and the only match is in the title. So let's walk through the steps of installing this package. I'm going to go split screen with VS Code, and I'm already connected to my server on SSH. I'm going to go ahead and cancel the web server. And the first step is to npm install at statcounter/Angular and run that. Added one package. And the next thing is to edit the app.config.ts file. And we want to add this to the top. I'm going to close the terminal and Control B to open up the file browser, and then app.config.ts. I'm going to close the file browser with Control B and paste those two lines here at the top. And the next step is to paste this block at the bottom. An important note is you must add a comma after this block right here. So you can just put in the comma and then hit enter twice, Control V, and paste in the statcounter code. And now we need to add our project ID and security code. For that, we go to the statcounter website. In the lower left-hand corner, click the gear icon where it says project config, and then settings. Scroll down and copy the project ID, paste it, copy the security code, paste it, and save. And after that, we can close this file. That is the install for the statcounter Angular package. If you are using modern Angular version 15 plus, if you're using an older version of Angular, we have some other install steps for that down here. And now we are going to rebuild and restart the server and verify that the statcounter is installed and running okay. And we especially want to make sure that as we change pages, that it tracks on both pages. I'm going to go ahead and run the server again. Come back over here and reload. And here we see the call to counter.js and the hit being sent on t.php. So now you want to click about, and that's exactly what you should see, another hit being set to t.php. Thank you for your time, and please let us know if you have any questions or concerns.